Alright, here we go. We've got first gen Honda ATC200X. The motor is not a fresh build. It's got a little bit of work to it. It's got a billet intake, aftermarket carburetor, stock exhaust, and of course the Sawyer custom signature inverts on it. Got an oversized tank, aftermarket Clark, some good grippies. We'll get out there and give this thing a road test, see how fast we can get up to. Tell me if at the end of this, you guys think it can get faster, because I certainly think we can go faster than what we hit. But here is out of the driveway, accelerate, go down, and we got a top speed. If you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we're going to be doing more speed tests. More builds, we got all kinds of stuff. We got a Banshee coming up, so look forward to that. Look forward to your comments. See you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of this video. We've got a track run after the speed test. Look forward to that too. Yes, we'll put this thing on the practice track and did a couple of laps. Enjoy the video, everybody. Thank you for the support. Y'all have a great day. And that was the speed